Okay, this is going to be the today's video review for Wednesday, January the 20th, 2016 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. Today in the markets, we got up early at about 7 o'clock, looked at the market. We had 5 trades that set up. There were lots of movement in the market, but we only had 5 setups. They were all winners. Let's have a look at our edge. At about 7 o'clock, you can see we had a strong dot here, weak dot push into the crest of resistance. Our upper yellow here with our stop 2 ticks above the high on a red brick. That's the opportunity to go short. We're targeting at this point because this white dotted midline isn't pushing up. In other words, our upper yellow here is down. The same upper yellow here on the right. We're targeting 35.36. So you can see how we flush on down to 35.36. Next opportunity we had was a strong dot down here, followed by a weak dot down into this valley of support. The idea is we want to be trading down into this lower yellow area here. This is drawn here on the right chart with the software automatically. So this is here. So you see the green overlapping this yellow here. This is why this trade here would be much better to be taking. If you took it here, you still need to risk your stop 2 ticks below the lower energy band, which is going to be here, so you wouldn't have been taken out. But it's preferential to be waiting to get within, a tick or so to this overlap that takes place, and then get long. Target potential on this, because the mid isn't pushing up, is up here at about 40.5, 41.5. You can see price pops up there, no problem at all. Next trade, we have a strong dot up, weak dot up at the midline here, crest of resistance. Our upper yellow still stays down right here, and the opportunity on the trade chart shows that the tops of the brick stay within our upper yellow. So on a red brick with a stop 2 ticks above the high of this bar right here, because it's above our upper pink energy band, with a target of getting down in the lower green and this left chart's lower green area, we meet our target at 42.5, 41.5, 42.5. So this here appears to be a strong dot down followed by a weak dot, looking at a buy in this lower yellow. And the reason we can't take that trade is because you can see the bottoms of our bricks that are red are lower than this lower yellow area. So this is not the way the lower yellow holds for the follow the yellow brick road trade plan, no trade. Okay, so we've got 2 up arrows here. We've got some strong dots. If you thought this was a weak dot, pull, push down into this lower yellow here on the left chart, you'll notice the bottoms of these bricks here are going lower than this lower yellow area. So this is not how the lower yellow follow the yellow brick road trade plan works, and therefore no setup. But now we've got some weak dots down. This is a buy opportunity. You can see here the bottoms of the red bricks are staying within the bottoms of the lower yellow. Green brick we can go long with a stop 2 ticks below the low. We're going to target from here back onto the mid, about 37.38. You can see we got a nice pop with that. And then we had some strong dots here, weak dot here. Now I want to talk a little bit about that one. You can see the dot, it just turned up purple. I'd like to see it turn up blue like it did here for the short. This was preferential here to go short with the red brick here. Stop 2 ticks above the upper pink energy band. If you decided to take the early purple pulling up just after it dropped below the solid white midline with this down red arrow here, your stop has to be 2 ticks above this upper pink energy band. If you want to learn a very simple approach to day trading and then beyond with position swing trading, send us an email at jb@drummondenergybands.com. Thank you very much for your interest.